Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before, and I am really excited because today's video, I ordered this palette. I can't even really remember how long ago I ordered it, but it was a pre-order and it finally arrived. It is freaking gorgeous and I cannot wait to play with this palette. It is the Wicked Widow Beauty Scissorhands 2 palette. I still need to get the first one. For whatever reason, I ordered this one first. I should have ordered them both at the same time, but I didn't, so here we are. But, you guys, look at this palette. Like, I just really want you to kind of get a look at the shades and the shift and the shimmers and just... Oh my goodness. Like, Oh, it is... She's stunning. Like, I know sometimes you order palettes and you get them and they don't look as good as they do in the pictures, but this one is every bit as freaking beautiful. So, I'm excited. I got some green lipstick on. I'm thinking we're going to do like a greenish blue look. So, let's see what we can come up with. I'm super, super excited. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, the first shade I want to start out with, this shade right here, Blend and Blend. I don't know. I'm so excited. I have been waiting for this palette. It seems like forever. That could just have been me just really, really, really wanting to try this out and just being so excited that I just couldn't wait. But I'm glad that it's finally here. I cannot wait. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. And I'm so excited to finally get to try this brand. I just can't wait. Alright, so it's going on well. It's pigmented. Looks like it does in the pan. It's very pretty, grungy, like olive green, which, you know, I love those grungy tones. And I just cannot wait to dip into like some of those shimmery shades. Because they definitely look like they've got like a really cool flip to them. And I just can't wait to try those on my lids. Ooh, that's pretty. Now that I've got that down, I want to try this, just more of like a true green shade right here. It is called Garden. It's that one right there. And we're just going to put that a little lower. Just a little lower so it kind of blends in a little bit. Very pretty. Very pretty. Alright. And there is a little kick up in the pan. Again, it doesn't really bother me, but I know some people freak out about it. I'm not sure if you can see it. Whoops, right there. It's just a little bit, nothing bad. It doesn't bother me, but some people freak out about that. So, there is a little, but it's not, I mean, it's no big deal. And again, these shades are freaking beautiful. Okay. Now, gotta figure out which one of these really pretty shimmer shades I'm gonna use, and I am like, ooh, don't know which one to do. Oh man. I kind of want to try and, you guys know I'm the worst swatcher in the world, but I want to try and do a couple of these. This is the shade Isolation right here. And, ooh. These are like so smooth. Oh crap. I swatched a lipstick yesterday on my hand and it like did not come off. So I'm going to do it on my other hand. Hold on one second. Alright, so this is the shade Isolation. You guys, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm getting really excited. The next shade I want to do is Neighborhood, which is this one right here. Oh. Okay, so this is the shade Neighborhood. You guys. Ooh, they pretty. Okay, then let's do I'm sorry. With the lights I'm having a hard time reading the shade names. It's Mysterious, which is this one right here. The lights kind of like blind me so I can't see as well. Okay, so this one is the shade Mysterious. Can you guys just see just how just freaking beautiful these shades are? Okay, what am I gonna... Oh man, dang it. They're all just so pretty. I wish I didn't have to pick just one. I mean, I guess I could use more than one, but... Okay, let's start with... Let's start with the shade Isolation, which is this one right here. And we're just going to see what happens, where we go from there. Okay. She pretty? You guys, I am in love with this so much. Like, this is just amazing. Like, truly amazing. I am definitely going to go order that first Scissorhands palette, like, as soon as I'm done filming this video, because I am blown away right now. We're like 3 shades in, and I'm already like, whatever this brand makes, I'm going to buy. Like, I'm just going to. It's so pretty. Like, I'm in love. In love. Okay, I'm gonna add another shade just because I have to. You know, I can't stop it. Just one shimmer shade, you know? I gotta keep going. So we're gonna do the shade Mysterious, which is this one right here. I mean, this is just so freaking gorgeous, you guys. I just cannot get enough. It's just so pretty. I just can't even like put into words how beautiful these shades are. I am just in love right now. I mean, ooh, so pretty. Okay, so I kind of don't want to stop there, of course. So I'm going to take the shade Neighborhood, which is the shade right here. I'm just going to put it on my finger. I'm just going to dab a little in the center of the eye, just because I need to. Oh my goodness. You guys, I just have been like, there have just been so many amazing palettes lately that are coming out, and just being that eyeshadow lover that I am just loving this. I mean, this is like amazing. Just, whoo, so excited. Okay, so now I need to do the lower lash line. Can y'all just, oh my God. Stop everything that you're doing. Go buy this palette right now. Like, just stop, do it if you can. It's amazing. I'm shocked. I haven't really heard a lot about the brand. And just, oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay, focus. We have to do the lower lash line, you guys. I'm just getting like way too excited here. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, for the lower lash line, let's do the shade right here, which is Scars. It's gorgeous. Okay. Now, for that lower inner corner highlight. Okay. We have options. And, I mean, we could do this really cool purplish shade, which kind of is showing up as a different color on camera. We could do this really pretty pearlescent like shade right here. I kind of want to do this purplish shade. It's called Imperfect, which is right here. I'm just so in love with this palette right now. I don't even know what to do. I mean, it is just like, holy crap. Just every shade is just so beautiful and just shimmery and just, I mean, it's just amazing. I can't get enough of this. Like, do you see that right there? I mean, just the sparkle. It's like stars in a night sky. It's so amazing. I mean, I love this so much. Okay, I have to go do my mascara, and what am I doing? I don't even need to put this in the package yet because I have to show you guys the palette one more time. Okay, I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back and this is the finished look. I love it. Can't get enough. I've been loving like the colorful lipsticks and just the bright, dark, beautiful, just really, really, really fun eye looks. I love it. I can't get enough. So you guys, again, this is the Wicked Widow. Hold on. Wicked Widow Beauty. That's what I thought it was. But before I misspoke, I wanted to double check. Scissorhand 2 palette. And this, I just cannot get over just how, I mean, not only does this palette look beautiful, it performs beautiful as well. I mean, I can't get enough. It's amazing. This and that Chucky palette are like my 2 favorite palettes of the year so far. It's just absolutely amusing. Amazing. It's amazing. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video, for supporting my channel. It means so much to me. Just please remember that you are loved. You're amazing. You can do anything you put your heart to. Just believe in yourself. Please do not ever give up on your dreams. And I hope you stay safe. Have a wonderful day, morning, night, whatever it is, wherever you happen to be in the world. And I'll see y'all in the next one.